Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to add a watermark in Google Docs. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. To add a watermark to Google Docs, we go to the Insert tab and select the watermark. The Watermark Settings tab on the right has opened. As you can see, we have two options here: image and text. That is, we can add a watermark as an image or as text. First, let's add a text watermark. Click the text and type the watermark text in the Insert Text field. Further, if necessary, we can change the font of the inscription, the size of this font by clicking on the plus and minus, the writing style is bold or italic, its color, transparency, horizontal or vertical position, as well as placement behind or in front of the text. When you are satisfied with the appearance of the watermark, click Done. If you want to see an image as a watermark, then select the Image option in the Watermark tab and click Select Image. In the window that opens, we can select the source from which the watermark will be uploaded, directly from the camera, via a link, from Google Photos, from Google Drive, or an internet search. For example, I'll upload an image from my computer and click Upload. Then browse and select an image. Let it be this little dog. Click Open, and after a few seconds the image is added. If the image is too big, we can change its scale here, and we can also click on Fade it. For more precise settings, click More Image option, and in this menu resize the image, rotate the image. In the Position tab, it moves the image up or down or left and right. Additionally, we can recolor the image if the original color doesn't suit, and you'll need to experiment with brightness, opacity, and contrast settings. When all the settings are done, close the image options and click Done. This is how we added the watermark to Google Docs. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.